Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are gonna solve top 5 MIS interview questions. So let's start to solve. In question number 1, we need to find out if this good word, you guys can see in the C column. Here I have written some words. If this word is repeated, more than one time in this cell, okay, where the sentences are written, your thoughts are so good and your work is more good, right? So in this sentence, if this good is repeated more than one time, so it should say yes, else it should say no. Okay, so how we can do this? Okay, so here, for example, write here output. Okay, so right here, equal to substitute this word, replace with blank and get the length of this. But before that, I want to replace the blank, okay, where in the second instance number, right? So now get the length of it, 47, and minus it with the original length. Okay, so it is says 4, because the good word, if you will count the length of this good, so it will be the 4 if you will drag it. So you guys can see time is coming here. You guys can see time is coming one time, but second time it's not repeating anywhere. But good, you guys can see in the beginning good is coming and at the end is good is coming. This is why it says 4. So I would like to put here if condition, if anything would be unequal to 0, it means we have value repeated in the sentence, so it should say yes, okay, else no. That's what actually we wanted to do, so we solved. Great. So let's move to the question number 2. Here you guys can see, here I do have some scores. I want to assign the grades, through VLOOKUP, not with if condition. How we can do that? You guys can see whatever the values we have, between 20 to 30, in that it should come D. Okay, between 30 to 40, whatever the values are there, it should C. 40 to 60, whatever value we have between 40 to 60, it should say B. And whatever the value we have more than 60, it should say A, right? So how we can do that? Right here, VLOOKUP. This is the lookup value, and lookup table array we need to give in the curly bracket. Here you need to write 20 D. Okay, then semicolon. Then again you need to write here 30 and C. Then again semicolon. It should be now 40 B, right? Now second it should be 60 A, right? Comma 2, enter. You don't need to put 0, otherwise it will not work. Just press directly enter. Okay, so here we are getting, okay, we forgotten to put the semicolon. Enter. Now you see, okay, between 40 to 60 B grade should come. Now 56 is here, we have a B. In 60 we have a. In 38 we have a C. If you will see, C 30 to 40, the grade should come C. So we are getting, and I mean it's working quite good, right? So we can solve it like this. Okay, so now let's move to the question number 3. In the question number 3, we want to see how many values are common in both the list. If I will see 200 are common, 300 are common, 400 we do not have here, 400 we have here. So 400 is also repeating, okay? 500, we don't have any 500. 500 and 500, right? And 900 and 900. So let's see the count. Simply you need to write here count if. Select both the range one by one. Simple. If you will press F9, you will see whatever the commons value we have got there 1, right? So now let's get the actual count. Right here sum product and directly press enter. The 5 values we have common in both the list. So let's count. 200, 200, 300, 300. It is 4, 400 and 400. Now it is 3, 3 times we got the values are repeating. Common values we have. 500 and 500, it is 4, and 900 and 900, now it's 5. So we are getting here 5. Okay, so now let's move to the question number 4. In the question number 4, what we want this name in the ascending order. What I want is simply, I need to first of all, as I will have to put this code in the ascending, I mean smallest to largest. I want this, okay, through formula. All right, through formula, I mean with the VLOOKUP. So whatever value we have, I want the name in the systematic order. Not a name, but I would want the code you guys can see here, code. If I will do it like this, so code. So I want the small percent should come here, and against that percentage whatever name we have, we want that name here. Okay, that's the main question. So right here is small, in the small select all this range. Okay, now if I will, you know, put here 1, so it will throw me, it will give me basically 2%, the smallest person, right? So I don't want to, you know, I don't want to write the this, you know, the value 1 2 3 manually. So if I will do row minus 3, I'm getting 1. So just I need to copy this and replace with the 1 and drag it. So now we have got the code in the ascending order. Now I what I can do, I can do the VLOOKUP here. Okay, and I can directly select the range, comma 2 comma 0, enter. So this is the, you know, this is the simplest, you know, way to make the data in the ascending order and get the value as we are wanting. All right, so I hope guys this is what actually now cleared for you. Okay, now let's move to the question number 5, last question. I want to get the random alphabet. We can get the random, you know, the numbers between rand between. Now how we can get the random alphabet? So right here, you know, equal to rand between. Okay, now put here 60 to 90. Okay, just if you will drag it, we are getting the numbers. So put here char. Okay, char is the function in the Excel, and press enter and drag it, control D control R. Okay, now at the rate also we are getting, if you will press here 65, then you will not get anything, you can see. Okay, instead of 60 we need to write here this formula 65 and 90. This is the code which can help us to get the random alphabet, guys. So I hope guys these are the question would be helpful for you guys, and I would also attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it and can do the practice very hard. All right, so thanks so much everyone for watching the video, and let's meet in the next video with the app script video, okay, which I would be uploading very soon. Okay guys, thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.